Now here is how you can send a picture that can be only viewed once on the WhatsApp. So let me guide you through it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we get inside the WhatsApp as usual, and of course you can click on the camera icon to send the picture right away, or you can as well just upload the image from the gallery, right? So you can pick it however you like it, whatever, right? You just choose the image like this, but you can always click on the option. So as I was saying, you can see that when I go to the paperclip, or when I want to add some sort of attachment, part of the photos in here, when I select an image, I'm not actually going to send it right here. So you can see I have the ability to click on the green button to send it over, but instead I'm going to click on the one icon in the circle right here. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the button which I need to click on like this, and these are the view once messages which are supposed to give you privacy. So I'm just gonna click on OK like this, and you can see that this is now selected. So I can now decide to send it like this, right? And then this is a photo which can only be viewed once, right? So you will have the ability to tap on it, but it's not like in a regular image, which is part of the conversation right here, right? So as you can see right in here, the pictures which are normal show all the time, but those which are only supposed to be viewed once are gonna basically look like this, no preview, and you can only check it out once, right? So that's how it works. That's how you can make that happen. Let me know if you manage to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.